the weather became very bad and we can't even shoot on that place. It was totally white out and it was raining heavily and we don't have much food and water. Hello everyone, so today we are going to start a trek named Namaduk and it's 11:30 already and we are standing in Dhungri village. As you can see, the weather is not so clear, it's raining and we already late for that reason and it takes almost 5 hours to reach Lamaduk. Let's see what's happened and I think the route will be too muddy and yeah, let's see what happens. So as we said before, the weather was not so clear and started raining heavily and now we decided to stay here overnight and we will try Lamaduk trek tomorrow again in the morning and we are still we are still 2 hours away from Lamaduk, 1.5 hours and 2 hours you can say.
No.
So it's 7:30 a.m. already and we've done our breakfast with Maggie and now we are going to start this trek again from this point and we are going to start this trek from this way. It takes around 1:30, sorry 1.5 hours to reach Lamaduk. Yeah, let's see what happens on the route.
Don't be a stranger in the night. Take a chance for some romance. Don't cover your eyes. Willow trees know you better than
Chota Patthar, and we reached here, and as you can see it's totally white out, and if the weather was clear then we could see the whole Manali, whole town view from here, but our bad luck. So we take rest for 15 minutes. Actually it was not a rest because it's totally white out, and so we decided to stop for 5 minutes. Then now it started to clear. Before it's getting so dark, we are going to do this trek again.
And I pray to God, don't storm in the storm. If not me, then someone like me that knows what to do, how to take care of you. But most of all, that deserves you.
The weather became very bad and we can't even shoot on that place. It was totally white out and it was raining heavily, and we don't have much food and water, and today is the day we have to descend down, so we don't have much time because time by time it's getting worse. And now we are near Bada Patthar. We descend and now we decided to go back. Yeah, that was not our day, but still we are very happy and we are enjoying a lot. So now I'm just in front of a starting point and we descend safely. Just because of the weather we can't do this trek, but we enjoyed a lot. We were just 30 minutes away from Lamanu. Now we are going towards our home